Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
Hi there, Alexa from Microsoft, joined by Patrick. We're here at the Paramount Theater, got the Broadcaster Royale put on by Omen by HP. A lot of cool stuff to talk about today.
I want to show off our new Omen by HP Obelisk desktop. You can get it with a metal side panel or with a tempered glass window. With the tempered glass window, you can see it also has internal RGB lighting. So you can, using our Omen Command Center software, you can basically program it to any animation or colors that you want it to be. The whole point of this product was to be very DIY focused. It's meant for gamers to be able to upgrade and future-proof as they need. So 2 years down the line, 3 years down the line, you don't need to replace your full desktop if you just want to upgrade your graphics card or your CPU or something.
Yeah, even sooner. Sometimes it's 6 months and something new comes out. Or
oh, for sure. Yeah, like technology just keeps rolling.
Yeah, which is why it's awesome.
We'll be one of the first OEMs to launch the RTX 2080 graphics cards when we start shipping the end of this month. So this system will be shipping those right away. It also, well, we are the first OEM to partner with HyperX on their gaming memory line. And so all of these units will start shipping with HyperX memory as soon as they launch.
What kind of cooling? I see a fan.
Yeah, so we've got a system fan on the back. We've got a CPU fan on the front on the CPU. There is room reserved on the top for a 120 millimeter liquid cooler. So if you want to put in a liquid cooler radiator for your overclocked CPUs and stuff, you can. This model right here doesn't show it, but you can add it in yourself. All of the components in this system are industry standard. So basically, you can, if you want a new motherboard, you can swap it out. If you need a better power supply or a higher end power supply, you can put something else in.
Definitely.
It's actually already available now. You can go online and place your orders on hp.com. The starting price point is $849.99.
Hello everyone, this is Omar with Origin PC, and today I am here to introduce to you the new Chronos desktop. The vented design is built for those who want the maximum CPU performance and airflow, as the vented side panels make it possible to add a 240mm all-in-one CPU cooler, making Origin PC's professional CPU overclocking possible. These vented side panels require no tools, making it simple to remove them from the Chronos for easy system access. With the options to add more components featuring IQ RGB lighting, laser etching, or HD UV printed panels, the tempered glass side panels are all about looking your best with high performance components inside. The tempered glass side panels are also toolless, allowing for easy removal to access the inside of your Chronos. The Origin O logo located in the front of the case is also used as the power button, which is configurable with IQ, so you can choose the lighting yourself in the IQ software. RGB strips and fans can be added in the system for more RGB as well. The front panel of the system includes a conventional USB Type-C port, 2-in-1 audio jack, and USB 3.0 port. The Chronos can be fitted with up to an Intel Core i9-10900K processor, or even the 16-core AMD Ryzen 9 3950X when configured with a mesh side panel. The Chronos is also configurable up to 32GB of Corsair Vengeance or Dominator Platinum RAM, clocked up to 3200 MHz. Now for literal power performance management, the max power supply option will be the one and only fully modular Corsair SF750 PSU, which is ready to power the most cutting-edge small form factor PCs. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to our 24/7 customer support, or also check out our website at www.originpc.com. Also, don't forget to check out our social accounts at Origin PC on all platforms. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Omar with Origin PC, and I'll see you guys in the next one.